Hello, this is Mary with Mango Math, and this is a second grade game called Strikeout, and it is on adding or subtracting numerals using mental math. So this is in our second grade kit, and it's a game that you'll have a number line, that's this laminated number line, as well as a 20-side dice and a dry erase marker. So the object of the game is to be the last person that can cross out numbers on the number line. So what the students are going to do is they're going to roll this big dice here. And let's say they rolled, and it's a 28 on top. So they're going to circle their 28. And then they're going to cross out any numbers that when you add them together equal 28. So let's say they're going to cross out the 20 and the 8. And they're going to then cross those two out. Let's say that they are a little more advanced and they decided to cross out the 20, the 6, and the 2. All right, but we don't want them to do more than just 3 numbers. So start with 2, the 2 numbers that when added equals that. And then if they get good at that, we'll work our way up to 3 numbers. So let's stick with 2 numbers, and we're going to cross out the 2, the 20, and the 8. Then the next player rolls the dice, and let's say they rolled the 17. That's right there. So they're going to circle the 17 and cross out 2 numbers that make 17. So let's say I cross out the 12 and the 5. And they could do it as 2 numbers that add up to 17, or 2 numbers when subtracted make 17. So they can go both ways. So as more numbers get crossed off and more numbers get circled, they're going to have much more limited numbers to work with. So if a child rolls a number that's already been circled, they can roll again until they find a number that has not been circled. If they roll a number that has been crossed out and is not available, they too can continue to roll until they find a number that they can use. If they have circled a number and they can't find 2 numbers that add or subtract to that number to get that number, then they are out and the other kids continue to play. So strategically, it's a good game to get kids to think about strategy on finding the 2 numbers that when they cross them out will help them advance in this game. So it's really, more they play it, the more they're going to start to develop strategies. This also, like I said, you can alter the game so that the next time around they can cross out 3 numbers. But it's a really great game to get kids to start adding and subtracting mentally in their heads. So enjoy.